Hello everyone and welcome to this channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you on how to export your MySQL table to an Excel file. By the way, this video was requested by Kakti Diwana. So now let us start. By the way, this is my product database sample. And then I have only one table and let us check. Okay, here we go. So this table consists of 196 rows. So to export this, guys, let us click this, export. Let us rename this to product table. Okay, and let us save here in this tab. Save. Okay, and let us go to the this tab, guys. So this one, let us open. Here we go. Okay, and let us check how many records. So consists of 196 rows. Same with this 196 rows. So that's pretty simple. And if you have any question, just comment it down below. And if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe. That's all, guys. Thank you and see you to my next video.